Hey guys, welcome back to Cube with Speed, and we just hit 80 subs, and I promised that I would make a 3x3 tutorial when we did, so here it is, and let's hop right into it. So the first step is to solve the white cross and match the cross's opposite color with its center. So first find a color on the bottom that has the color white on it, like this. Not like this. This is a corner piece. We need one like this. It's called an edge. And move it along the bottom until this color right here matches with its center. And then once it does, turn it twice to solve that part of the cube. Repeat this with the rest of them. However, there is this one case scenario where you have this piece right here and you move it along the bottom to match with the blue, and then you turn it twice, but these two colors should be flipped. So in that case, turn the front like that, turn the top counterclockwise, and then turn this right side up, then clockwise to solve that part. During the cross step, you might be looking for a piece on the bottom, but you can't find any, and it might be in the side right here. So to get that out, take it, move it down to the bottom, move it across, then move this side back up, and you just solve it like normal. The next part we have to do is solve the corner pieces right here. So on the top, find a piece like this, and then figure out where this is supposed to go. So blue and orange, and then white. Find those three centers, blue, orange, white, and then move that so that it's in between those three colors. And then to insert it, you could either do this with your right hand with these 4 moves, and that didn't insert yet, so let me do it again. Then you keep repeating these moves until it's inside, or you could do this with your left hand. Move it over here, green, orange, white, and then do it with your left hand from here, like that, and just keep repeating them until it's in. Repeat these with the rest of the corners. The next step after solving the corners in the first layer is to do the second layer right here. So to do this, find any piece on the top, any edge piece without yellow, like this one, blue and red, and turn it along the top until this bottom color meets up with this center. And then look at this top color, and we will actually want to move it away from that center. So like over here it's red, we're going to move it away, and we're going to take this opposite corner out and then put it in with the other hand by turning it like that and then putting it in. So that's with the right hand, but with the left hand it would look like this. Green and red. This is red. We would move it this way, take the opposite corner out, and then put it back in using the other hand. The next step is to solve this yellow cross right here without messing up the rest of the cube. So to do this, you could have 3 case scenarios. One is where you have this dot, and to solve that, you just go from anywhere, turn the front like that, and then repeat those moves that I taught you, and then undo the front. And then this is the second case. If you get this L shape, you put it in the top left, and then you turn the front, do the moves, and then you should get this horizontal or vertical line. If you get that, make sure it's horizontal and not vertical. And then turn the front, repeat those moves, undo it, and you have the cross solved. This next step, you have to solve the edges, and you could either get 2 solved or all 4 solved. And if you have all 4, that's great. You could skip this step. If not, then do this algorithm that I'm going to teach you. You'll either have 2 like this. If you do, make sure one's in the back and one is on the right. And then if you have two horizontal like that, just do this from anywhere. The algorithm is R, move the right side up, move this top part across, then move the right side down, then across again, then up, turn it twice, then put it back down, like that. Now you should have all 4 of these solved. Now we have to solve these corner pieces right here. So this one's in the wrong spot, this one is in the wrong spot, this one's in an incorrect spot, but this one is correct. Green, red, yellow, green, red, yellow. So if you have one solved, put it on the right here. If you have none, do this from anywhere. If you have all of them, skip this step. The algorithm is you move this here, move the right side up, turn the top like that, left side up like that, right side down, counterclockwise, left side down. And now this one's solved, this one's incorrect, this one's incorrect, and this one's incorrect. Again, if all of them are solved now, just skip to the next step. If not, do that algorithm again. And that should solve all of them. Blue, red, blue, green, red. No, blue, red, yellow. Blue, red, yellow. Then like that. For this final step, we're going to solve each of these corners one by one. And to do that, we actually have to flip the cube over so that white's on top. And then find an unsolved corner, not like this one's correct. Like this, and then go to repeat those moves with the right hand until it's solved. And then here, turn this over here so that this comes here, but do not turn the cube like that because then you'll have to restart. Just turn the bottom over here and repeat the moves again. That solves that one. Turn the bottom, repeat them, and there you go, it's solved. Here's a quick example solved just to help you see what it looks like when you're actually doing it. So we already have green and blue solved, so we're just going to take this one, put it to the bottom, and turn it twice. Do that. Turn this like that, Then solve these corners. Solve these. Put this one in. And then we're going to take this out like that. Move the top that to the opposite side. Take this out like that. And then move it over. And this one will just go there. And then let's check if that's, oh no, there's still one more. Move it across like that. Let's see how many edges we have 2 solved. And we can do those moves. And then this one's incorrect, this one's incorrect, this one's incorrect, and this one's incorrect. So we're gonna go like this to solve one of them. And then that solves all of them. Flip them it over and solve them like one by one like that until it's solved.